When your furnace breaks down, you need fast and reliable repair services to keep your home warm and comfortable. At Ufirst Heating and Cooling in Glendale, we offer expert furnace repair services to quickly diagnose and fix any issues with your heating system. Our experienced technicians will arrive promptly, fully equipped to handle any furnace problem, from strange noises to lack of heat. We provide upfront pricing and will communicate with you every step of the way so you know exactly what to expect. Trust our team to get your furnace up and running efficiently again. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for a furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Ufirst Heating and Cooling. How can I tell if my furnace needs repair? If you notice strange noises coming from your heating system, uneven heating, or a sudden increase in energy bills, it may be a sign that your furnace needs repair. At Ufirst Heating and Cooling in Glendale, Arizona, our experienced technicians can diagnose and repair any issues with your heating and cooling system. What are the common issues that require furnace repair? Common issues that may require furnace repair include lack of maintenance, dirty filters, thermostat problems, frequent cycling, strange noises, and a lack of heat. These issues can cause discomfort and potential safety hazards in your home. What is the service area for your Glendale, Arizona location? Our furnace repair has serviced customers in the surrounding areas of Glendale, Scottsdale, Queen Creek, Tempe, Phoenix, Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, Waddell, Cave Creek, Arlington, Stanfield, New River, Tucson, and Casa Grande, Arizona. Where is your Glendale, Arizona furnace repair located? We are located at 7021 West Augusta Avenue, Glendale, Arizona 85303. Our phone number is 623-343-9915. Visit our website, www.ufirstheatingandcooling.com.